Hi guys, this week's video focuses on the top 5 books a UX designer should certainly read. First up is 100 Things Every Designer Needs to Know About People. People, humans, users, whatever you may call them, are at least equally important as the business, if not more. This book contains psychological insights packed in a compact book with a view of usability and design. If you are preaching user-centered design, then you need to understand how your user thinks in and out. Universal Principles of Design. Universal Principles of Design by William Lidwell is a short and sweet book that teaches you design principles in a very efficient manner. Great examples are provided with each principle to explain the concepts. The book is like a handy travel companion for any designer so that you always have the essentials at your fingertips. Make sure you don't forget to keep this designer's Swiss knife with you at all times. Up next is Don't Make Me Think. Written in the early 2000s, Don't Make Me Think by Steve Krug is still relevant to this date. Don't Make Me Think is our favorite when it comes to web usability, and we highly recommend it to designers, developers, and anyone highly involved in the product lifecycle. It won't make you a usability engineer overnight, but will set you up for solid fundamentals to pursue it on your own later. Sitting on top is Design of Everyday Things. There is a reason why the Design of Everyday Things is considered the Bible of UX design. Written by Don Norman, the man who coined the term user experience while his time at Apple. The principles taught in the book are so fundamental that they don't just apply for digital products, but also physical products or real-life experiences. From topics ranging from the psychology of design, cognitive science, behavioral science, and ergonomics, to name a few. Next up is Sprint by Jake Knapp and John. No, we don't intend to force you to buy the Sprint book unlike others. We are looking at you, aj&smart. Do you have an idea that you want to implement or a problem that just isn't getting solved? How do you know if it is worthwhile to chase the idea with more resources? Well, in comes the Sprint book. It cheekily solves complex business problems with its set of exercise and frameworks in just 5 days. Yes, you heard it right, 5 days. And you will definitely be at a much better place than you were before Sprint. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something new today. Like, share and subscribe to our channel, and to become an undisputed pro in the design game, make sure you download the ProApp.